Okay, I've got some. Oh, there's a red cat. That's not my cat. I wonder who that is. Okay, I'm gonna come over here. And this is a cherry tree here. But I want to come over here. Hi, Bonesy. Over here. Here's the apple tree. It's got apples there. Over here. Ah! Look at here. Cherries. Ah! Yum, yum. Cherries. Yum, yum. And I could make some more jelly. There's apple. Okay. Okay.
Hi, everybody. Everybody's in the house.
Hello. Say hi.
Hi, Gussie. Hi, Bonesy. Hi, Gussie. Hi, other Bonesy. Meow. Meow.
Okay. It's Carmen. Okay. There we go. Okay. Look at it. The sword and the stone. Okay. Okay. Look at how I'm doing my door. I'm adding stuff to the door. Cool. Okay. Let's turn it off.